Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can show or hide drawings and indicators on TradingView. This is useful to declutter your chart and focus on the data that you need without deleting anything permanently. So the first thing that you will have to do is open any chart of your choice. So yeah, for example, this chart right here. So just go ahead and click that. And once you're here, just click full chart. So yeah, just wait for it to load. And now that you're here, from your left panel, you should see this button right here, which is object tree and data window. So what you will have to do is just click it. And once you select object tree, what you will have to do is toggle the visibility. So as you can see, this eye icon right here next to that drawing or indicator that you have, what you will have to do is just click it, or if you want to show it again, then just toggle it on, toggle it off whenever you want. So yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.